Hello and welcome back to AA Thingamajiggy. My name is Anastasia and today I'm going to be reviewing a book called Everything You Need to Ace Math in One Big Fat Notebook. Notes borrowed from the smartest kid in class, double-checked by an award-winning teacher. So basically this book has the complete middle school study guide. So this book is perfect for you if you're in middle school. From the editors of Brain Quest, America's #1 educational bestseller. This big fat notebook makes all the stuff you learn in school sink in, with key concepts, mnemonic devices, definitions, diagrams, and doodles to help you get better grades, including fractions, negative numbers, ratios, expressions and equations, word problems, the Pythagorean theorem, area and volume, statistics and probability, the coordinate plane, linear equations, nonlinear functions, and more. And here are some other different books on different subjects. Everything You Need to Ace American History in One Big Fat Notebook, Everything You Need to Ace World History in One Big Fat Notebook, Everything You Need to Ace Science in One Big Fat Notebook, and Everything You Need to Ace English, Language Arts in One Big Fat Notebook. So, I'll just show you a little bit of the book. On the first few pages, it shows you the smartest kid in class, notes borrowed from the smartest kid in class. This is the book that the smartest kid in class wrote down, and he or she took notes. And this is what this book is all about. It shows everything about math, everything that you need to ace math in middle school. So I'm gonna read you a bit of the introduction that this kid has written about. Everything you need to ace math. Hi, these are the notes from my math class. Oh, who am I? Well, some people say that I was the smartest kid in class. I wrote everything you need to ace math, from fractions to the coordinate plane, and only the really important stuff in between. You know, the stuff that's usually on the test. I tried to keep everything organized, so I almost always highlight vocabulary words in yellow, color and definitions in green highlighter, use blue pen for important people, places, dates, and terms. Doodle a pretty sweet pie chart and whatnot to visually show the big ideas. And here's the pie chart. If you're not loving your textbook and you're not so great at taking notes in class, this notebook will help. It hits all the major points, but if your teacher spends a whole class talking about something that's not covered, go ahead and write that down for yourself. Now that I've aced math, this notebook is yours. I'm done with it. So this notebook's purpose in life is to help you learn and remember just what you need to ace your math class. Now I'll show you the contents. There are 6 different units. I'll read out the title of the units. Unit 1 is the number system. Unit 2 is ratios, proportions, and percentages. Unit 3 is expressions and equations. Unit 4 is geometry. Unit 5, statistics and probability. Unit 6, the coordinate plane and functions. So I'm just going to choose one and read a little bit of the pages out to you. We'll go square and cube roots, page 209. Okay, page 209. Square and cube roots. Square roots. When we square a number, we raise it to the power of 2. Example, 3 to the power of 2, read aloud as 3 squared. 3 squared equals 3 times 3, which equals 9. The opposite of squaring a number is to take a number's square root. The square root of a number is indicated by putting it inside a radical sign, or a square root. 16, or the symbol here. 16, read aloud as square root of 16. The square root of 16 equals 4 times 4, which equals 4. So 4 is the square root of 16 because 4 times 4 equals 16. And 16, the square root of 16 equals minus 4 times 4, which can also equal 4, which can also be the square root of 16. When simplifying a square root, ask yourself, what number times itself equals the number inside the radical sign? And there are a bunch of other tips and examples to show you, and a lot of really good information. And here you can check your knowledge. There are different questions and everything that you need to know on that topic. And there's also different questions, so you can actually write it down in this notebook. And there are also little squares that you use for your math unit. These little cube units. And so here you can check your answers. That's what it's like in every other thing, every other page. It shows check your answers, and there are questions, and there are information. So you can double check and then triple check that you have officially aced that topic. I hope you enjoyed getting to know all about how this book can help you in class. And this book is really good, and it's from asiabooks as well. So you can get it from asiabooks either on the website or in the actual physical store. And I hope you enjoyed getting to know more about this book, and any of these other books on American history, world history, science, and English language arts would also be as interesting and helpful and educational as this book. Bye!